Hey loves, it's your girl Genevieve. I'm back with another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I achieve this cute mermaid braids using Xpression in the color 613 and color 30. Okay guys, if you want to see how I achieve these cute braids, please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Okay guys, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so I took down the cornrow I had on. Alright, going on to comb out my hair, and then I'll use an elastic band to hold it. I always like doing this before or while braiding my hair. Okay, so guys, I'm showing you the braiding hair extension that I'm using is Xpression Braiding hair, and I actually mixed two colors. I mixed 613 and color 30. Guys, I really love this color. Like, my camera is not even doing justice to this color. Like, it is so beautiful. Initially I wanted to use just 613 to make the hair, but then I saw a color 30 that I have left, although it was small, so I have to just blend them together, and I really love the outcome of it. So guys, I also made a video where I mixed the colors, okay, and I'm gonna do well to post the link somewhere to watch that video. Okay, alright guys, so I'm going on to part my hair, section it out, and then I'll continue to braid. I actually did a knotless braid method while braiding this hair. So when I was done patting out my hair, I went ahead to apply my wax on it, use my rat tape comb it out, and then I'll section it into 3 equal. Alright, and then what I did here was I just flipped my hand once, and then I started adding the extension. Okay, so I didn't do the regular 3 braids knotless braid method, okay, because I don't really want the root of my hair to have the tiny part, you know, like that tiny part, and then start adding the hair. So I just wanted it to just be like that, but then I don't want to use the regular traditional box braid method, so I just had to do it this way. Okay, so when I braided some hair, I started bringing out the hair. So I actually brought hair out like 4 times, and then when I got to the where I want the hair to end, I just used a little piece of the hair and then wrap it and left it. Okay, I actually left part of the tip where I curled. Alright, so yeah guys, this is what I'll be doing. I just want to braid out the first one, so I'll just braid a little bit, bring out another one, and then that's how I'm going to be doing it.
The festival that we met at, where you were just a face in a crowd, and now I can't imagine me with anybody else, as we close out the night underneath the lilac sky. Summer high, met you in August, New York, back to my cold.
So here I brought out a little piece of hair and then use it to wrap the hair. Okay, just tie it and knot it. So you can always leave it if you don't want to tie it. Okay, because at the end I even had to leave some. I didn't even want to tie it, but it was not like it doesn't unravel. Okay, because I ended up coiling it and there is no way it would unravel. Okay, so I even did some parts where I did not tie it, but if you want to knot it, fine. If you don't want, you can just go on to leave it that way. Okay, so once you coil it, you don't have a problem. Okay, it's not going to unravel. So guys, while I was braiding my hair, okay, I was not doing a talking method, okay, because I want the color of my hair to show. It sort of give the braids like a very beautiful look, like based on the fact that I doubled the color of the hair, like I blended two colors to get this color, and then my hair, the color of my hair also added extra beauty to it. So I did not do a talking method, okay, because I was just leaving my hair. I was not bothered about trying to cover up my hair, okay. So that is it. But if you don't want your hair to show, okay, you can use a talking method whereby you use the braids and cover up your hair very well so the color of your hair would not show through the braids, okay. But that was not what I was going for here. I just wanted my hair color to show, okay, because it gave the braids a very beautiful look. Okay guys, so I'm done with the second row. Okay, I'm showing you how it's looking so beautiful, so neat. All right guys, so if you don't know how to part your hair, okay, while braiding your hair, I'm showing you right now. Okay guys, you can use this video to learn how to do that, because I was really detailed about this part. Like I was showing it section by section. All right, so like this, you need like double mirror. You need one in the front and one behind you, okay. Not just keeping it straight up in the front and in the back, just slightly beside your, like in front of you but slightly beside, so whereby you can connect from the mirror in the front to the one in the back to see the back of your hair from the one in the front. Okay, I don't know if that makes sense, but that is how I do it. A lot of people ask me, how do I part my hair and make it so neat? This is how I do it. But guys, it is a struggle. Like I literally spend a lot of time parting my hair because I want my parts to be neat. As you can see guys, like it is so neat. Okay guys, like after braiding this hair, you would not know that I did it myself. So a lot of people argue with me. I'm not the one that braided myself, but guys, I actually do it. Okay, so this is a very easy way to braid your hair. Okay, get a mirror. Okay, get, in fact, if you want, if you have a lots of mirror, get it, because I even ended up using extra mirror other than the two that I already have. Okay, so when you use mirror, you'll be able to see the back of your hair and then part your hair. It is not easy guys, it is a struggle, and you have to win, like you have to conquer it. Okay, it's something I've been doing for a while now, so at some point it's getting a bit easy for me, but then it's still a struggle. Like it is the most important part in braiding my hair. Whenever I want to braid my hair, I always focus more on making my parts to be neat, because I don't want my hair looking rough. I don't want people to even know that I actually braid it myself. So when I tell them I braid it myself, they are surprised and they ask me, how did I do it? Okay guys, so I'm just going into section my hair in part, put it in parts where it will be so easy for me to braid. Okay, like for me to make my sections while I braid my hair. All right, so guys, if you can notice, the color changed. They actually brought light. Okay, I'm a Nigeria YouTuber. There was no light initially. Okay, so now they brought light, and I was watching movie. Okay, so I was just trying to keep myself busy while I braid my hair. Okay, so I was sort of having fun guys. Alright guys, if you've stayed with me till this moment and you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the red subscribe button to get subscribed and join the family. Okay, also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this video, comment on the comment section good things about this hair. Okay, like the hairstyle is really beautiful guys. You can't wait till you see the end of it. It is so beautiful, and I got a lot of compliments on this hair. So guys, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm done braiding it. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired right now, like, but I'm really happy, you know, like I'm so happy about the outcome of the hair. So guys, I'm going on to braid the hair. Okay, so first of all, I added leave-in conditioner to the braids and then I braided it. Okay, so I sectioned my hair into 6 parts. All right, so I did like a big breaks. Okay, I just packed the hair into 6 and then I braided it. Okay, so this is the type of curls that I'm going for. Okay, I'm not going for the regular curls that we use, the curl and wand or a relaxed curl. Okay, I'm going for the curls that we use the braid pattern. Okay, so just go on to braid my hair. Afterwards I'll dip that in hot water. Okay, so guys, I was so scared when I was dipping this hair in water. Jeez, like I was so scared for the water not to pour on me. So I had to get a help. Okay, my neighbor's daughter was there watching me braid my hair. So I had to say, please, baby girl, come and assist me. Okay, so she was really helpful. Like she was really helping me hold the bowl of hot water when I was trying to bring out the braids so it don't splash on my body. And then she was also helping me give me the small towel that I was using to dry out the braids when I bring them out from the water. Okay guys, after I was done, I allowed it to dry up for some time and then I went ahead to loose it up. And guys, the coils is everything. Like it is so beautiful, guys. So guys, this is how you achieve your mermaid braids, guys. Okay, I went ahead to apply mousse on this braids and afterwards I loosened it up, use a sheen and spray on it for extra shine. So guys, this is it for this video. All right, I'll see you all in my next one. Do endeavor to stay safe and be blessed. I love you all, but God loves you more. Peace.